What's up? It's your girl Nemo. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. This is Dye vs. Dye, the series where I take similar shades from different brands and compare them to each other. Then I also do wash tests, which is where I do 5 washes in cold water and color safe shampoo and compare the results of that. Then I do 5 more washes in hot water and dander shampoo to simulate if you were intentionally trying to strip the color and compare the results of that. So if that sounds interesting to you, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a free way to support my channel, and I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Today we're doing Neon Orange. We've got Lunar Tides in Neon Tangerine. We have Kiss in Neon Orange and Iro Iro in Neon Orange. This will be my first time using the Kiss brand, so I'm really interested to see what this is all about. My bad, y'all. I forgot to record the beginning of this. But here we've got the Lunar Tides, and I'm working on the Kiss Neon Orange right now. My mistake. Alright, it's all on. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for about an hour and rinse in cold water. Okay, here it is, and very interesting. I feel like the only one that's really neon is the Iro Iro. It's a very bright Cheeto orange. Then we've got the Kiss, which is really dark. It's like a very red, almost burnt orange. And then over here, we've got the Lunar Tides Neon Tangerine, which is kind of in between, but it still is not really my idea of neon. Just kind of a regular orange in my opinion. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wash now 5 times in cold water and color safe shampoo and come back to compare those results. Here it is after washing 5 times in cold water and color safe shampoo. More or less the same. Yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and wash 5 more times in hot water and dander shampoo to simulate if you were intentionally trying to strip the color and be back with those results. Final results, here it is. They're all a bit faded from how they were originally looking. This one is holding the color the best so far. Although it's not really a bright neon orange, it is lasting quite a while. Got the Kiss here in the middle, which is fading to like a pastel pinky red. I don't like that in a fade out for orange. That's just me. I think it's an ugly color. But that's just my opinion. And we've got the Iro Iro over here, which has faded to a very like golden sunflower yellow. I prefer this. If I have to have orange and it fade out, I prefer to have it fade out to like this kind of color. That's just personal preference, and that about does it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.